YouTube family, man, what's good? What's going on with y'all? It's your boy Jay, back with y'all, man, and we outside today, man. As you can see, boy, it's a little frisky out here today, man. So your boy Jay is you know, I'm suited down, you know what I'm saying? Real quick, man, tech fleece today, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Tech fleece day, you know, nothing crazy. Got on some travs on the feet, some trainers, you know what I'm saying? Get the fit check out the way real quick. But yeah, man, today is Saturday. What's today's date, man? November what? 29th? 30th. Saturday, November 30th. Last day of the month, man. Your boy Jay is out and about, man. Today we had a release of some Jordan 1 lows, man. The Royal Game Royals, man. They sitting everywhere as far as online, man. And I'm not gonna be surprised if they are here in every store I go in, unless they didn't get a shipment, you know what I'm saying? But we outside, man. I'm gonna pull up to a couple stores, bring y'all along with me. And yeah, we'll probably take it back to the crib and chop it up there and we'll end the video. But yeah, man, let me know if y'all caught them Game Royals today or y'all are waiting for that sale. I advise y'all to wait for that sale. I was supposed to be doing our own feet, but your boy Jay was like, man, I don't know if y'all want to see those, but comment down below. I still might do it. Let me know if y'all want to see those on feet. But yeah, man, we outside with it. We trying to check out and see what these stores got. So let's see what this Saturday brings us, y'all. Let's go hit these stores. So we in Champs, y'all. On the walk-in, man. The Mutants is on sale with the gift wrap behind it, man. Y'all getting some Mutants for Christmas, man? Y'all getting some Mutants for Christmas, y'all, but Mids over here on sale, you know what I'm saying? Black Friday deals, I guess. How you doing? I'm good. All right, y'all, over here. Let's see what we got, man. We still got Fear 4 sitting. I love to see it, man. Still got Fear 4s sitting at a lot of places. Still got Doom Red 13s. Those actually need to be on sale, man. Comment down below, bro. I think that this is a hard Jordan 13, y'all. Y'all let me know, man. I think that these are hard Doom Red 13s, but you got those. You got 2 3s in here. They still got the Cement 3s. Still got, of course, the Midnight Navies. Got these lows in here, y'all. These are the Game Royal, I want to say, the black joints, but this isn't the one that came out today, obviously, but this is a Game Royal low. Still got Artisanals, couple other joints in here, man. Every time I see these, y'all, and of course they got the mids right next to it, but every time I see these, y'all, it makes me just think, man, like, this looks like a, look at it, man, it looks like an OG just front toe box, man. Like, I think that these are super clean. The olive green Jordan 1 lows. Comment down below what y'all think about those. But mutations are just mutating, as you can see. These RMs, man, this is a clean colorway. Clean colorway right here. My favorite, of course, is got to be the Black Cats, man. I think the Black Cat RMs are the best RM that ever released, man. Comment down below, y'all. Would y'all rock these? I think that this is very rockable, man. Yeah, it's a mutant. It's a mutant. A mutation of a Jordan 4, as you can see from the midsole, but they still solid, you know. I give y'all a pass on those, but new colorway in the Tatum's, y'all. I ain't seen these yet. These actually kind of solid, bro. I'm not mad at these. This colorway in the Jason Tatum joints. Comment down below. But yep, got the other colorway up top, and just a bunch of just random mutants in this section. Do got the 2 3 UNC joints right there. Yep. All right, y'all, we taking our talents over to Foot Locker, y'all. Now, this is another colorway, y'all. I know we was just talking about the Neapolitans and Champs, but I don't know. Is this the same shoe, or am I tripping? I don't know. I think it's the same shoe. The laces is just different. But yeah, man, I'm liking these. I ain't gonna lie. Like those. And they do got, of course, the brown pair in here. These are all definitely some good colorways for the fall. But they got those in here as well. But a couple other colorways in the 90s, 60s. I like them blue ones, man. The military blue looking joints. But yeah, clean colorways in them. But over here in the Jordan section, man, still love to see it. But this is a bigger size. This is a size 13. But man, I love to see it, bro. Love to see that they still do have, of course, black cements in here sitting, bro. Not mad at seeing that at all, but got those. You do have the Olive 9s in here. Doom 13 still got Olympic 6s. cement 3s, RMs on deck. You know what I'm saying? Usual suspects. Every time I see these, I think about the Toro 4s, y'all. Every time I see these, it just gives me Toro 4 vibes. But Foot Locker, you know, got the usual suspects. I don't think they got the lows in. Champs didn't get them in, so I suspect they ain't get them in here as well, because I know they didn't sell out. But they do got these in here, man, the mids. The rose pink or rose gold, whatever they call it. Green apple lows on sale. But yeah, man, size 13. Still got them in here, y'all. So yes, y'all, hey, not much in there outside the usual. Didn't see the lows, but I did pick up that size 13, man. I picked up that size 13 in the black cements. Reason being is because it was a good pair. When I say good pair, man, it was a size 13 with no flaws, good elephant print, good leather. I'm about to show y'all here in a second. All right, y'all, so here we go. A little bit of damage on the box, you know what I'm saying? But ain't nothing too crazy. But here go the shoes before my paper gets flown away. You know what I'm saying? Just throw that in there before we lose it. But show y'all what the shoes is looking like. So, like I said, size 13, clean pair. Take a look at it right here. That is one shoe right there, as you can see. The toe box, how everything looked, the elephant print. You know what I'm saying? That's one shoe. Let me show y'all the other shoe. Pretty much consistent between both, and that's kind of hard to find, to come across with these 3s lately. Same type of smooth leather, as you can see, both pairs. So very good pair. Elephant print, pretty much the same. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I snagged these, but we did get a size 13 just to throw to the back of the closet if I want to do a trade or something down the line. But yeah, man, had to grab these joints. All right, y'all, so we came to a different Hibbett, y'all, and over here seem like they got these AEs. Is this the new colorway? The iron sharpens iron? I think that this is that colorway. Iron sharpens iron. But I'm good on these, but you know, keep doing your thing, AE, not mad at it. Got these Volt green slides. Bronze sitting wherever the bronze are sold. Still got Dion's in here. Yeah, same old stuff, y'all, but retro J's, man. Retro J's. Look, y'all, look, they still in here, man. So they got another pair of the 3s in here. This look like it's a 9. This is a size mine right here, man. Love to see it, man. 3s still available, y'all, but 3s, 4s, you know what I'm saying? Still got out of 9s. Crispy pair of these. Y'all picked these up recently, man. Fire pair of lows, patent leather UNCs. But, yup, Game Royal mids, y'all. The mids don't look half bad, y'all. The blue just pops is what it is. But not mad at these at all. They don't have the lows in here, but they do got the mids. But we gonna find a pair of lows before we end this video. Trust me, we gonna find a pair. But that's pretty much all they got in here. Mutation section is just mutating. So here they go right here, y'all. The shoes that released today, man. The Game Royal lows. Only 2 boxes, y'all. These were limited, y'all. These was limited, but seemed like nobody still want them. But here they go right here, man. Game Royal lows. What's y'all thoughts on these? Like I said, man, not too many places got them, y'all. Limited shoe. Limited shoe. But y'all let me know, man. Did y'all cop these? Did y'all pass? I think they still available on sneakers, but I ain't mad at these, y'all. These is actually clean. With that sail midsole, it kind of looks like an aged high-top pair. Mine's is actually starting to yellow a little bit, but I ain't mad at these, y'all. But I got a pair at the crib. Y'all let me know if y'all cop them, y'all. Y'all, so JD Sports got the wall full of ones, man. As you can see, I showed y'all these earlier. These Game Royal joints right there. They got bread toes, and you see what's right next to them, y'all. And of course, the shoes of the day, man. These right here, bro. Clean pair of ones, man, but it's definitely a sale shoe if you ask me, y'all. This ain't a retail shoe, but they are limited, y'all. There's not too many pairs of these out there. It's just that nobody really checking for them like that. But of course, you still see the lows that I recently picked up, the patent joints. These is clean, bro. These gray joints right here. I ain't mad at those with the side sticker on the back, but got those. You got the gold joints for $125. Some dunks on the bottom of it. You know what I'm saying? The Game Royal mids. Down on this end, some Nike dunks. Bruh, I swear they done made every color in the Nike dunks. every color possible, but they still seem to amaze me when they come out with a new colorway. But those, some Halloween joints, 105, got the blue ones, the purples. Yeah. Last size rack, y'all, last size rack. Y'all see what's over here, man. So they got quite a few of these still in here on the last size rack. I don't know why, because they got multiples, but what is a size 10? They all might be size 10, that's why, I don't know. But that's a size 10, yep, they all size 10, as y'all can see, size 10. So I think they just got size 10s left. This look like this is bigger though. This is a 12, so they got a 12, 10, left in the 3s, and then they got, of course, a pair of the 4s in here still. This is a big pair, man. I'm surprised, y'all. I'm surprised, but I love to see it, man. Love to see it, but they do have, what, 10 and 12 left on the last size rack. Y'all, so remember I told y'all that fragrance channel is coming. Your boy Jay is big on the fragrances. So shout out to my guy right here. I'm gonna let him chop it up with y'all for a second, man. Y'all can get fragrances from him. He looking out for me on some cologne. I'm about to let y'all see what I'm getting, but this is a sneak peek. We're gonna be doing this, y'all. So let them know what's up, man.
Hey, what's up, people out there? We appreciate you, man, stopping by. We are a local fragrance store here in our Galleria Mall, Centerville, Georgia. We also online, www.fragranceworld1.com. So we got a fragrance store in store, and we got one online that you can go to. You see I'm rocking the Citizen sweatshirt by Michael Malure. Y'all go pick some of that up. Last time you was here, you got a little.
Oh yeah, I got a bottle of it for sure. Yeah, and it's A1. Is this the info right here?
Nah.
What a website at? Okay, here y'all go right here, y'all. Go right there, man. That's the info right there, man. Tap in with him. He got the website. We might in the future, man. We gonna see if we can do something where we can get the fam maybe a discount promo code or something, you know what I'm saying, so that we know what traffic is coming from the channel. But stay tuned, y'all. Today, real quick, I know this is my shoe channel, but we picking up fragrances. The fragrance channel is loading. I'm picking up a fragrance by the name of Mind Games, y'all. Mind Games. The price is playing mind games with me, but it's called Jadobi Mind Games, y'all. The bottle has like a chest piece type of cap on it, you know what I'm saying? If you take a look at the bottle, which is, I don't know, you put it up, right? You put up the bottle?
Here you go.
So there's the bottle right there, y'all. So this is the bottle, as you can see. Got that chest piece type of top on it, y'all. Very premium, nice cologne. What is it, like $3.75 a bottle, y'all? So not the cheapest cologne, but you know, it's supposed to do what it do. But I will be getting this. I'm getting that today. I will probably do a review on it on the channel some point in time, so just stay tuned for that. But yeah, your boy Jay, that fragrance channel coming soon, man. But shout out to him, man. Make sure y'all check him out. Fragrance World.
FragranceWorld1.com. www.fragranceworld.com, man. We appreciate you guys, man.
For your boy Jay stands with y'all. Yes, sir, man. So shout out to my guy over there at Fragrance World, man. He done blessed me, man. He had a Black Friday deal going on where you pretty much buy an item and you get a gift, man. He threw me an extra gift in there, man. So salute to him for that. But y'all make sure y'all tap in. But all funny stuff, that fragrance channel coming, man. So make sure y'all tap into that. Last stop of the day, y'all, man. Hibbett. Let's see what Hibbett got to offer, and then we gonna take it back to the crib. So we here, y'all. We here, man. Take a look at it, bro. What a beautiful sight, bro. Like, well, not mutants, but over here, man. Like, still got, of course, these. I think every store I went to today still got these available, man. But hey, I grabbed that 13, holding on to it. I'm good for a little while. Trade back to something, but still got 4s. How long will 4s, the Fear 4s, be sitting around, man? They got the navy blue lows in here. Pretty clean. Still got the silver joints in here, man. Another clean pair, but I didn't pick up a pair of those. I passed on those. But we do got the Game Royal Mids. Still got, of course, Midnight Navies. This is just a clean pair, man. Y'all let me know, man. Is this a sale cop or y'all just passing all together if you haven't picked them up already? But definitely a clean pair of Jordan 1s in my opinion. Got some others over there. Mutations, bro. We ain't even gonna spend no time, but they do have the Ja Morant joints. I think these are his Halloween pair, man. The Ja 2 Halloweens, definitely a clean pair, man. I ain't mad at the Ja. I ain't mad at it. 12, you know what I'm saying? But clean. And this shoe is actually, I want to say, lighter than his first shoe, but clean. Got the 2 3s in here. LeBrons are sitting wherever LeBrons are sold. I know what's going on with those, but got the mutation up tempos. You know what I'm saying? Seem like somebody done tried to try them on, and hey, if you like them, I love them, y'all. Go on and buy what you like. But we got some, of course, AEs in here, man. Yes, this is iron sharpens iron, y'all. These recently came out, but got those Dion's, yeah. Real quick, y'all, over here in the ladies section, man. Told y'all these the Mrs. Claus joints, man. If there's any ladies out there, man, how y'all feeling about these velvet black tolos, man? How y'all feeling about those? These are definitely the Mrs. Claus joints right here. My bad. Those are the Mrs. Claus's child, but this is definitely the Mrs. Claus's joints right there. But these are actually kind of clean, y'all. These like navy blue lows, you know what I'm saying? Minus the like satin or silk, whatever that is, bro. I think that these are kind of clean. Definitely a clean colorway on the lows, but still got the 6s in here for $250. They want $250 for these, man. Gonna sit on them shelves, bro. But you got those. Still got some satin shadows at the bottom. Few dunks, but I'm seeing a lot of just suede color dunks, man. Like these are the Keiko Wows. They got suede on the pair, man. You got the pine green suede on it, y'all. So this is they new wave, and they gon' when they do something, bro, they gon' overdo it, y'all. We got the tan, like yeah, they gon' overdo it. And we've seen already, of course, the pandas with the suede type of material on it. But yep, these right here, y'all. These, every time I see them, man, clean colorway for the ladies in the Pomeros, y'all. Definitely a clean colorway, but yeah. Let me go on and see what these Game Royals is hitting for, man. Oh, well, before I go, ladies, what y'all doing with the pink 9060s? These is not bad. This colorway right here, man, these ain't bad, bro. These 2002 R's, y'all. This is a clean colorway for the ladies, man. Comment down below what y'all thought on these, but yeah, that's those. So never mind, y'all, man. They did not even get men's, bro. I'm telling you, them lows, y'all, although they might be sitting in certain places, y'all, there's not that many pairs of them lows out there, but they didn't even get men's in here. They only got grade school, so that's a dub on that. But yeah, man, that is pretty much it, man. Your boy Jay brought y'all outside with him today. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. Let me get the sun up out y'all face. But hopefully y'all enjoyed the vlog, man. Told y'all fragrance channel coming soon. Make sure y'all tap into that. Look out for it whenever it drops. I need everybody from the fam to pull up on me and support that. But yeah, that's it. Your boy Jay is checking out. Appreciate y'all for watching as always. Y'all stay blessed. Till the next one, I'm up out of here, man. Gone. Peace.